In this video, I'll answer the question, can you pay for Apollo Group TV using Cash App? Apollo Group TV is a popular IPTV service, and many people want to pay using Cash App since it's fast and easy. The short answer is, Apollo Group TV does not accept Cash App directly as a payment option on their official site or app. However, some users get around this by sending money to a seller or reseller via Cash App, who then provides them with a payment method accepted by Apollo, like a gift card or PayPal credit. Always be careful when going through third parties. Make sure they're trustworthy before sending any money. If you're looking to pay for IPTV services with Cash App, your best bet is to use it to fund a PayPal account or buy a gift card that Apollo accepts through a reseller. As always, read reviews and do your research before making any online purchase. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tech and streaming tips.